Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine, and we are on the off-ramp.
In today's video, we want to share with you 8 activities to do while in the Phoenix area.
So here they are, but in no particular order. And we're going to begin with camping at Dutchman State Park.
And we enjoyed all of these activities with our good friends Alvin and Val.
Phoenix is the type of place where you will likely end up meeting other friends and family as well, especially those snowbirds.
Because I was running.
Presented by Banner Physical Therapy.
Yeah. So Wade and I, Alvin and Val, are looking for a place to watch the Jets game. We ended up on Yelp, found this at a rating of 4.5 out of 5. The Hidden Bar. It's hidden. It's called the Rail Yard Hidden Bar. You walk in, it basically just looks like, what, a warehouse? But all the rest of this building is actually housing the kitchen for about 4 or 5 restaurants that do only takeout order. And you go to the Yoki app and you use the Yoki app to order from those restaurants. We order through the Yoki app, and the restaurants on the other side will tell us when our food's ready. An interesting concept. So it's a big group kitchen of about several different restaurants. Take a look at this. These are all the restaurants that are available in this building. Daily Yoke, She's an American Grill, Crisp, The Lunch Board. And from the cheers inside, I'm thinking the Jets just scored. I hope so.
You gotta get this in there sooner or later.
You're walking into a cactus.
Yeah. Oh, I've been checking. So we're walking the Treasure Loop Trail, Superstition Mountain, the Lost Dutchman State Park. A long, slow climb uphill. And there's Superstition Mountain, or mountains, I guess. Alvin thinks we're climbing to the top, but I think we're just going to the beginning rocks. We came from way down there, and we are going, well, not to the top, but we're going up a little higher yet.
Yeah, we're going up. Having fun exploring here at the old ghost town. It's a tourist spot, and it's kind of fun.
Cover me, boys! Cover me! What are you doing? What? Get over! Get that gun! Get it! Right out loud!
Uh-oh.
Come on!
We are hiking the Bell Rock Trail, just the easy Bell Rock Loop, but my goodness, the scenery is just absolutely stunning. And we've got our natural co-hikers along with us, Lorraine and Val, and there's Alvin. Let's go wide angle. Let's just see what this brings us. Just stunning. And we'll zoom into that mountain. All right, we are in Mesa, Arizona. This is the Mesa Swap Meet. Is that what they call it?
Yeah, Mesa Swap Meet, and it's open on Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. 1,400 vendors or shops to look at. Some of them are repeated. It's huge. You get your steps in at this place.
Yeah. Here, I'm going to reverse this around and show you.
The entrance, it's basically.
Okay, well here's the tent that we're going to be in.
I mean, it's huge.
There's 3 long aisles like this to connect it together. This is just one aisle. There's the parking lot.
So the
Goes
whole
on for a long time.
the whole swap meet isn't covered. So rain or shine, you get to look at it all.
Yeah.
We're just going to give you a glimpse of the inside. It's going to be crowded. I think it was to the left, was it?
I think it could be, yeah.
I feel like it was very close to where we started.
Okay, I think
Okay.
what she wants to see.
I do. I hope so. Oh, wow. Yeah.
There's the
Oh,
little
yeah,
one.
that is little.
So they've got the wood carving, and they've got jewelry, and they've got
Oh,
everything down here from
look at all the Mexican stuff over there.
ailments and condition relief, pain relief remedies, and
Oh, this is all one store, do you think?
I don't know, all decorations.
For what? Games,
Games,
Mexican art,
dog food store, a dog house
photography.
store.
Okay,
All right.
got what we came for. Now to remember where we parked. Heading into the Desert Botanical Garden to meet some friends. We're really looking forward to seeing what this has to offer. When art imitates nature.
And it's cool.
Look the way the sun is shining through them. There we go. I'm just gonna grab this one here. Looks like under the sea kind of. Oh, okay. One of our last evenings with the Ginters here in Arizona, And we decided to find a hill and drive up it and have our last view of Superstition Mountain. Gorgeous place to visit. Can't get enough of looking at those cactuses.
Well, we're homeless for another night. And our van is at Mercedes-Benz. And hopefully they can find the problem. So we are in a carport. Wonderfully set up by Lorraine's aunt here in Mesa, Arizona. We even have our own queen bed.
Here we are at Mercedes in Gilbert, Arizona, and we're hoping that our van is finished, that the work is done, and that we are ready to get on the road. We've been without the van for how many days? Since Monday?
Since Monday, so 5 days.
5 days, so we are ready to get back into that.
Well, hopefully no longer homeless.
Yeah. So far I'm not seeing it out here. They told us it would be done around 4 o'clock, and it is almost 4 o'clock.
3:44.
3:44, so I guess if they say 4 o'clock, we might have to wait 15 minutes. Who knows?
That's fine.
That's fine. I'm glad we don't have a timeline on this trip, and we'd rather drive a vehicle that's completely healthy than to second guess every leg of the trip and wonder if it's going to make it.
Lots of RVs.
Yeah, we weren't the only ones, were we?
Mm-mm. And of course, lots of Amazon Prime trucks, vans.
Actually, that gives us a little bit of confidence in the work, right? There it is.
There it is. It looks like it's done.
I saw it there. Well, this was the kind of week where we truly had to hold our plans loosely.
For the past few weeks, we've been experiencing some engine challenges, and we had to leave our van with Mercedes for 5 days as they tried to solve the issues.
Watch next week's episode to see if the issues were solved.
And until then,
Keep holding your plans loosely.